So you want a Bernie's Mountain Dog? Maybe. Think again. Franklin, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay?
Life with a Bernese Mountain Dog is awesome.
I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
No.
This is Franklin, the 8-month-old baby / troublemaker at my house.
Buddy. No.
When he was still tiny, he had already shown his chaotic nature. In just 2 hours, Franklin can pooped on the carpet, ate my charge, chewed on stuff, chewed on me too.
Anyone else's burner broken? Like, all he wants to do is just bite.
We bought a lot of toys for him, but he preferred biting us. Looking at the bite mark in my hand, you would think I was living with a werewolf.
Poke and bite holes in all of your clothing. Like the amount of sweatshirts and pants that now have holes and are ruined.
Franklin is more mature now, but still loves causing shenanigan.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Oh, how are you this morning?
Stop!
Whoa. No, you can't have the popsicle.
He still has a little bit of biting issue and doesn't know what personal space is.
I'm sorry.
Since he's so tall now, he can reach for the ice dispenser on the fridge and watch the ice fall down. This has become his new hobby.
I'm pretty sure Franklin's stuck. Franklin, are you okay, buddy?
Of course, after he has fun with it, I'm the one who has to clean that up.
Are you okay? Drop it. Oh. Franklin, is that chair too small for you? Oh no. His butt's sitting on the table. Franklin!
Yes, Franklin drives me crazy a lot, but it's hard to get mad at him for a long time. And he's making progress.
I'm sorry, but you can't bite me.
I love you. I love you. Crazy face, and he's so crazy like every single day, but just not as much.
Like, Casey's face. Alright.
The reality of having a Bernese dog is a lot harder than I expected, but no matter what shenanigan he causes, I'm still proud for having a loving dog like him.
He got his breakfast and he's feeling very energized. Okay, easy hi to the camera. Easy hi to the camera. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Yeah.